All right, guys, welcome back. So here we go. What I did was I went out and talked to a bunch of YouTubers and I said, who wants to do a collab? I want to do something different than all these other things. I'm known for trying to dehydrate food, make it lighter, ultra lighting stuff, you know, but still being able to eat, you know, do it big, eat good. Well, I wanted to go in a different direction. I wanted to do something a little different. So I got together with a bunch of other YouTubers and we put together a collab, but something different than what everybody else is used to. What we did was we said, let's go all out. Let's go glamping. Let's go backyard cookout style. Let's go make some stuff in some cast iron. Let's pull out the pots and pans. Let's pull out the spices. Let's just have fun with it. So to put it in the simplest terms, I told everybody just go big and enjoy it. Don't worry about what it weighs. Don't worry about what it's made of. Let's just have a collab. Let's all have our own recipes and let's make them on film and share them with you guys. So I would hope that you will go through each one of these guys' films with me and watch them, watch their videos, watch how they make the food and watch them enjoy it. All right. So obviously me and my beautiful wife are doing one. Then you've got Jason from Jason Outdoors. You have Brandy and Scott from Time Out to the Trail. You have Justin with It's Good in the Woods. You have Kevin with Southwest Ohio Adventurers. So you've got all these people. They all have different perspectives, but if you go to their channel, they're all real. So if something goes haywire, they're going to leave it in there. If it looks rushed, it's because it is rushed, because real life happens, and that's why I like these channels, and that's why I think this is the perfect fit. It's not going to be perfection. It's going to be fun. They're going to enjoy it, and we're going to make some good food to eat. So stick with us. Now let's get over to my beautiful wife and see what she's cooking up, because y'all know I'm a pretty good cook, but she's the real cook, especially over a fire in this family.
Okay guys, this is what we're going to make. We're going to make homemade pizza over the campfire. So first I started out with some water. I needed a half a cup and it needed to be warm. So we've already warmed it. We got just a regular pizza crust mix from Kroger's. You can use any of them. They all work about the same. All right. I already measured out the water, so I'm just going to dump it in. Just stir it up, and it's going to seem like it's a little bit thick, but really it's not for pizza crust. Now I'm a hands-on sort of person, so the spoon's only going to last so long. Just knead it a little bit. Make sure you get all of it in. There we go. So that it doesn't stick to the bowl, you put just a little bit of oil on it. This is coconut oil, but you can use whatever you want. This is going to rise a little bit, so I'm just going to set it over by the fire and put a wash rag over the top of it and let it just sit there. Okay, so we did some toppings that we don't need to pre-cook, and we got some toppings that we're just going to sear just a little bit here. I've been letting the cast iron skillet warm up. So we got green peppers, onions, broccoli, and smoked sausage. Looks like that'll be way too much, but I'm sure Tony will eat the rest leftovers. I'm gonna let that heat up there. Okay, so while those are searing, we're gonna go ahead and get our pizza crust in the pan and get it ready. Just put a little bit of coconut oil in there. And then all you're going to have to do is pat this out in the bottom of the pan. As evenly as you can, but it ain't got to be perfect. It can be whatever. You can also make this a deep dish if you want to do like 2 crusts. And you can put a crust on the top too. There you go. I think that'll turn out nice. Alright, let's check on our seared stuff. I'm going to kind of pre-cook these a little bit because it's not like your pizza is going to be in a regular oven. So if you pre-cook them, it'll cook much easier, and then you're just basically melting the cheese and stuff on top. And those are coming right along. I got some tomatoes and olives. I'm going to add those. I didn't want them in the beginning because I didn't want them to get overcooked. So I'm going to add those in there. Alright, let's go get our pizza sauce on the pizza, and then we'll come back and get our toppings. Okay, once again, I just got Kroger's brand. Any pizza sauce is good, but this one is a little bit thicker, and that's why I like it. You don't want to put too much pizza sauce on it, because if you put too much, your crust will end up being soggy. So we're going to keep it kind of light. And just spread it out there. I like mine all the way to the edges. Alright, I'm going to grab the pepperoni and we're going to get that on there. You can put whatever toppings you want, just like you would any other time. You know, just make sure it's something that's you don't necessarily have to have in a cooler. I kind of pre-chopped all mine up so that it was easy whenever we got out here to be able to just put it together. But, you know, if you're at home and you got a fire pit at home, you can just chop it up out there or whatever. Whatever you want to do. Alrighty. So, let's get the seared stuff on here. Now you don't want to go too heavy on the toppings. You want to kind of keep them light. Otherwise you end up with way too many, you can't pick the pizza up. What you think, honey?
I think this is mine. Where's yours?
You have to share.
I don't do well with sharing.
I'm gonna put some cheese on here. You don't do well with sharing.
Not with food. So while she's cheesing this pizza, guys, I think you should really look hard at how she's doing this and come up with your own version of this, or tell us what you would do different in the comments below. We'd love to hear your ideas. But let's what do you got there?
This is seasonings.
Oh.
So in here I have bacon bits, garlic powder, a pinch of salt, and oregano.
Bacon. Wow.
Everybody loves bacon.
Fake bacon.
Yeah, fake bacon.
Fake bacon.
All my garlic and stuff's in the bottom. There we go.
Never have enough, so.
All right, let's get this on.
Okay.
Okay, so this should take approximately 7 to 10 minutes. We have a lid for ours, but if you didn't have a lid, you could always use foil. So we're going to cover it now, and we'll be back.
Okay.
Okay, it's time to check it, guys. Looking pretty good. I'd say it's done. Nice and crisp.
There's mine. Where's yours?
This one's mine.
No, no.
Time for dinner.
All right, so as you can see, the crust side looks awesome. It smells amazing. I can't even put into words what it smells like. But this is mine. Why do you get some?
That is yours. That is mine.
That is all mine. All right, let's see.
Definitely crunches.
Yeah. The crust is done all the way through. What I personally like, I'm a broccoli fan. I really like broccoli. And I love the fact she put broccoli on here. Now, the pepperoni she used is a cheaper pepperoni, which is that good greasy pepperoni. So if you can taste that got into the sauce. But there also is like a smoke flavor in the crust from the campfire. Because let's face it, everything cooked over a fire tastes better. So, I think I'm going to eat it all and give her none. But I will say, good job. Sorry you're going to go hungry though.
Hand me my peppers.
Oh, she's going peppers. You don't put hot peppers on my food. Bad things will happen if you do that.
Fresh jalapenos. From my kids. They grew them in their garden. And thank you guys for the jalapenos. I think it turned out great.
Here's the thing. We love our dehydrated meals. They taste awesome. But let's be real. Rehydrating food out on the trail is fine because you're just trying to put fuel in your body to do more miles the next day or recover. This is enjoyment. This is eating for the sheer joy of it. For the experience of being out here. Yeah, we're not in the middle of a giant, beautiful place, but if you look around us, it is very beautiful. Our tent has a goofy pitch. There's 2 trucks parked right next to us that we drove here. The fire pit's kind of small, but it's all great. It's wonderful. And there's state parks everywhere. So just take a little time and go enjoy one. Now, at the end of this, you're going to see 4 boxes on the end cards. That's everybody else's channels. I really think you need to go check theirs out because I'm telling you, they're going big. We might have kept ours a little toned down compared to theirs. They're going to have some wild meals. But also let us know, whether it's on Facebook, whether it's in the comments, do you like this kind of content? Do you like seeing us cook over the fires and stuff? Because I know that a lot of these other YouTubers that did this would be down to do more like this. And to tell you the truth, we honestly had a lot of fun doing it. We enjoyed it. So, let us know. Give us your feedback and make sure you go see everyone else's videos on this collab. And until next time, I'm Tony.
I'm Missy. And we'll see you in the next one.
My pizza.
My pizza.
My pizza.
Get over there with your little piece of pizza.
Why has it got to be little?
Uh-oh. Big Tony's mad.
Ugh.